Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Tidying up Creeping Bellflower, the Campanula, is a great job to do because you don't need any tools. All you're doing when you see these old flowers is you tug them out. And they just come straight out. It's a bit like picking fruit. If they don't come easily, they obviously didn't want to come. Then you go through and it leaves behind all the nice healthy leaves, and you should soon get lots of new flowers because they're lovely long flowering plants. There we go, big pile of spent flowers. Nice tidy plant.